Hey guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I have FREEYOND M6 and I want to show you how add event to your calendar on this device. To do it, open calendar application. Now we can change view for a month to be easily to add. And there we can tap on the day when we want to add our event, maybe 80th of June. There is plus icon and event. First, we can add title of your event, what you need and prefer. There we can set when event starts and finish, on which time, or we can set it will be all day. Repeat of that, maybe every month, every week, what you need and prefer. We can add this people to people calendar, this event to people calendar. Can make video conference as location of that notification, maybe today, one day before, and you can add more than one. You can change color of your notification which you see in your calendar. You can add description and attachment. After you set all you need, you mustn't add everything. We press save and we have it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.